Here's how you can use the auto scroll feature on TikTok. First, open your TikTok account and make sure that you are logged in. For some TikTok accounts and regions, the auto scroll feature is not yet available. However, here are some steps that you can try to see if the auto scroll feature will appear on your account. First, go to your App Store and search for TikTok on the Search tab. Once you've opened App Store, you can check here if there are any updates for your TikTok application. Once TikTok is fully updated, you can open the app again and check if the auto scroll feature is now added. You can also try deleting and reinstalling the app, and the feature should look like this. This should appear when you long press the video that you are watching. However, if the feature is still not available, you might want to wait for a few weeks or a few days. TikTok updates for some regions and countries might take a while, so you just have to be patient. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We hope to see you again next time.